Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain you a English lesson of 10th standard. Lesson name is The Concert. Concert means music performance. Means in Kannada we can say Sangeeta Kacheri. So this lesson is written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Let me know about the author now. She was born in 1924. So her important literary works are The Tales of Ancient India, this was written in 1960. Children's Mahabharata, it was written in 1968. And third book is The Worship of Shiva. This is written in 1988. Shanta Rameshwar Rao, who born in 1924, she was an Indian writer of myths, legends, folk tales, stories and picture books for children. So many of the books she has written for children. And the present lesson, The Concert, is written about a boy who was suffering from cancer and he was very fond of music. So this lesson is considered about the boy who was suffering from cancer and he was very fond of music. So the lesson name is The Concert. Let me see the important characters of the lesson. So these are the important characters of the lesson. First is Smita. Smita is a sister of Anant. She is 16 years old and she is good in sports and she is learning sitar along with his brother Anant. And second character is Anant. So Anant is a boy who is suffering from cancer in this lesson. He is the main character. So he is 15 years old and he is also good in tennis and he is learning sitar. And third character is mother of Smita and Anand. And fourth character is Aunt Sushila. So Aunt Sushila, she is the aunt of Smita and Anand. And next is Pandit Ravishankar. You know about him. He is a good music player of sitar. And next is Ustad Allah Rakha. He was a best tabla player. So living of these two names, Pandit Ravishankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, remaining all names have been changed in this lesson. Shall we start the lesson now? Anant. Anant is the important person in this lesson. And let me know about first Smita. She was 16 years old girl. She had a younger brother Anant who was 15 years old. In the beginning of the lesson, Smita was reading a newspaper with excitedly about Pandit Ravishankar's concert. So starting of the lesson, this Smita is reading a newspaper in which the news came about the concert of Pandit Ravishankar. She was also learning table tennis along with younger brother. In this lesson, she tried to fulfill her brother's last wish by inviting Pandit Ravishankar to her house. So, she is the main character in this lesson, we can say, who will fulfill his brother's last wish. Next, I told Anant. Anant was a 15 years old boy. He had an elder sister Smita who was 16 years old. In the beginning of the lesson, he was suffering from cancer and taking bed rest. He heard the news about Pandit Ravishankar's visit to Shanmugananda Auditorium, so he wanted to go there because Anant was the fan of Pandit Ravishankar and attending Pandit's concert was his last wish. So what was the last wish of Anant? To attend the concert of Pandit Ravishankar. So this wish was fulfilled by her sister Smita. How it happened? Let me see in the lesson. Anant was suffering from cancer and was taking bed rest. That time his sister Smita read the newspaper excitedly about Pandit Ravishankar's concert will be held at Shanmugananda Auditorium the next day. And they were stayed in Bombay for Anant's treatment. So at present, Smita and her family along with her mother and Anant, they were staying at present at Bombay in Anant's aunt Sushila's house. They stayed in Aunt Sushila's apartment in Bombay When Smita read the newspaper loudly, her mother warned her to keep quiet. So when excitedly Smita was reading the news which came in the newspaper about the concert loudly, why means by seeing the news she was excited. And what happened? Her mother warned her to keep quiet because Anant was taking bed rest. He needs sleep and rest. But the boy was not asleep and tried to raise himself off his elbows, but he could not. So by hearing the news what the Smita was reading, Anant was began to get up by the help of his elbows, but he could not. He was very eager to hear him and see him. Him means here Pandit Ravi Shankar. So he was eager to see him. And mother told him, "Lie down, son, lie down." Seeing her son's condition, she felt very sad and prayed God. So he was very ill. He cannot even get up by himself. By seeing Anant was getting up from his bed, so mother will say, "Lie down, son, lie down," and she felt very bad by seeing his condition, and she prayed for God. Anant told that, "I must hear him and see him. It is the chance of lifetime." So after the saying of mother, he will say, "I must hear him." Hear means here the concert. So he wanted to visit the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar. Why he will say that? It is the chance of my lifetime. So he know he is going to die. So he is thinking that it is the last chance of my lifetime. So he wanted to visit the concert. Smita felt very guilty for disturbing her brother. So by hearing these words which were said by Anant, "I must hear him and see him, and it is the chance of last time or lifetime." So by hearing this, Smita will feel very guilty. Why means she think that she had disturbed her brother who was taking rest, and she had known the frightening truth that he was going to die. Why she will feel guilty means all of them know that Anant was going to die. He was suffering from cancer. The doctors gave no hope, and her family came to Bombay with the high hopes in the miracles of modern science. Even though there is no hope of getting well of Anant, even though they came to Bombay for treatment, thinking that some miracle is going to happen for the Anant in the science. And they thought Anant would be cured at the hospital, and he would again walk and run and even take part in the forthcoming table tennis tournament. So by thinking that Anant may be going to get well, and they are guessing that he would be again, he can walk, run and even take part in the table tennis tournament. But his condition grew worse day by day. After all treatment also, his condition means his health is going worse day by day. Doctor advised him to take him home and give him the things he like, indulge him. So lastly the doctor will suggest him to discharge him from the hospital and take him to home, and what all his likes are there to fulfill them. But the family did not voice their fear. Even though they know Anant is going to die, the family members never they told this thing in front of Anant or for Anant. But the family did not voice their fears. They laughed and smiled and talked and surrounded Anant without giving any notice of the death for Anant. They used to keep him happy all the time. Whatever made him happy, and they tried to fulfill his all desires, and now he was asking to go to concert, the chance of lifetime. So what all his wish were there that were fulfilled by his family members. Now his wish was, or his desire was, he is asking to go to the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar, the chance of his lifetime. Mother advised Anant, "You can go to the concert when you are better." So mother is saying for Anant, first you become better, or let your health be improve. That time you can go to the concert. This is not the last time they are going to play. So this concert is not last time, no. Still they are coming or visiting, or still many more concerts are going to be played by them. You can visit remaining or other concerts. Smita stood at the window looking at the traffic, her eyes filled with tears by listening the words of mother. Now Smita will feel very sad, and she will go near the window and she start weeping. Smita did not want to go to concert without Anand. So the plan was to go and visit for the concert, but Smita was not liking to go to the concert leaving the Anand, because they are always done things together. Why? Always they used to do all the things together, Smita and Anand. Because of that she will feel very sad. So considering her mood, Aunt Sushila suggested her to take a walk in the park may feel you better. So by seeing the sadness of Smita, Aunt Sushila will suggest her, you can go a walk in a park. Like that you can change the mood can become better. So she went to park. In the park people were walking, running, playing ball, doing exercise, etc. So as a suggestion of Sushila, Aunt Sushila, she will go to the nearby park. There remaining people were engaged in playing, running, walking, or doing exercise, or some other things. But Smita felt alone in their midst. Midst means in their middle, and she was lost in her thoughts. So she was not after going to park also she will feel alone. Why? Means she had a thought. By thinking she will sit alone in the park. That time she got a daring thought. She thought herself, why not? There's no harm in trying it. She went to park and she sat in a corner by thinking. Suddenly she got a new idea. And she will say, why not? There's no harm in trying it. What only she made an idea and she will get ready for that. Smita decided to go to the concert. So she said her father agreed to get a ticket. Now she will decide to go to the concert alone, means leaving the Anant in home. And she will suggest her father to go let him bring the ticket. And when the next day Smita and her father left the home, Anant smiled and wished them to enjoy the concert. So next day father brought the ticket for to go to the concert, and while leaving the home Anant will smile and he will wish them to enjoy the concert. Smita listened to the concert. She was so much excited and felt that it was all in dream. So they attended the concert. By listening the concert, Smita was felt that she was as if she was in dream. So nice the concert was. And she listened the unfolding ragas, also remember her plan. By listening the concert also she was remembering her plan, what idea she got, and she was planning for that also. The word, the chance of lifetime was echoing in her mind. So by hearing the concert she was idea was there, and the words which were said by Anant, the chance of lifetime, it was also echoing in her mind. She heard the chance of lifetime, Anant's voice in every beat of tabla. So along with the sitar, tabla was played by Ustad Allah Raka. So in every beat of tabla she used to hear the words of Anant. Which are the words? The chance of lifetime. Anand's voice in every beat of tabla. The concert came to an end and a man made a long boring speech. At last the concert have ended. After the concert, one man stood and he gave a long speech which was very boring for Smita. People began to move towards the exit. After the completing of the exit, people stood and they started to move towards the exit. Now Smita went towards the stage and tried to meet Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha. So when people went and the hall was empty, suddenly she started moving towards the stage and tried to meet Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha. That time she felt nervous. Why means they are unknown person and they are most famous person. So she felt very nervous. Her heart was beating loudly and her tongue dried. And then she told the condition of her brother and about his last wish. Anyhow, she was able to meet them, and she also told her brother condition and his last wish, means to hear the concert of Ravi Shankar. At that time, the man who made long boring speech came and said to Smita that Pandit is a busy man. So who gave the speech after the finishing of the concert? He came in the middle of Pandit Ravi Shankar and Smita, and he will stop them, stop her, and he will say, Pandit is very busy, don't trouble them. And he will say that you must not trouble him with such request. But Pandit smiled and mentioned him to be quiet. But Pandit Ravi Shankar did not stop Smita, and he will smile to her and he will say that man to be quiet. Pandit asked Ustad without any thought, and Ustad Sahib said that tomorrow morning we will perform for the boy. Pandit also agreed. So without thinking anything, Pandit Ravi Shankar will ask Ustad Allah Rakha, and Ustad Allah Rakha will give answer, tomorrow morning we will perform for the boy. Pandit also agree. So both Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha both will agree to visit Smita's house and to give a concert for the sake of Anant. Why means it was the last wish of that boy. Smita came back home. Next day, both Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha came to their home. So Smita came home and said what all happened in the concert. And next day, morning only, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha both will visit their home. And Aunt Sushila's neighbors saw two men getting out of a taxi. So the neighbors of Sushila's house were then, they came out and they were peeping. Such a important person or famous person are getting outside of the taxi. They could not believe their eyes. So people, by seeing them, they could not believe their eyes. They performed for Anant. They came inside the home, they sat in front of the Anant, and they started performing for Anant, who was lying on the bed. Anant was lying on the bed. By lying on the bed only, he will listen for the concert. Anant was listening the music with a great beautiful happiness as the life went out of him gently, very gently. So by listening the concert of Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha only, Anant will die on his bed. So this was very sad story, but it is very heart touching, isn't it? So here we can see the brother and sister's relationship. How the sister or brother will be touched to one, and how they will sacrifice or they will so here we will come to know that how they will fulfill their wish. Here the sister Smita will fulfill his brother's, means who was suffering from cancer, his last wish to listen the concert. Even though she is a small girl, she will go to the concert. She will be able to talk to the Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, and she will bring them to their home, and in front of Anand they will play the concert, and by listening that music only Anand will die. So like this Smita will fulfill his last wish. I think you have understood the lesson. Go on studying. Thank you.